Come test drive this 2007 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power seats. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.